Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to be coming at you with a hair video. How to achieve different types of curls and waves from different hairstyles. And this is mostly just hairstyles that I've learned growing up that I could just, after I take a shower, my hair's a little bit damp, put my hair in this hairstyle, and then I wake up with long, luscious curls, curly wavy thingamajigger things that just look amazing. So that's what I'm gonna show you, and hopefully you learn something from it. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so you're gonna start out with, for the first look, for all the looks, you're gonna start out with wet, moist, damp hair. And normally I just do it after I get out of the shower, but I showered this morning and my hair dried, so I just wet my brush, and I just kind of wet my hair. And for this first type of curl, all you need to do is a low bun, just like a low twisted bun. And let's see, hopefully this will work. So for this one, you literally, just like, you know how if you're putting a bun, you just twist it and it kind of like curls up into a bun itself. That's what we're doing here. And it's gonna be low. And yeah, like this. So you just twist it and then it kind of like coils around itself. And it's literally easy as that. And then you just okay, so that's literally just how you do this one. You just twist it and put it in a little bun, and it doesn't really matter how it looks because you're like sleeping in it, or you can wear it like if you like it. I can pull these out and kind of style it for the day or whatever. But yeah, and then you just sleep in it, and the next morning it'll look like this. Take it out and see the curls, and it's a low bun, and yeah. But these are the curls it makes, and I really like it. Yes. And I think I like it just, oh, I'm just gonna show you. I think I like it because I can wear the hairstyle, and I like the hairstyle, and then when I take it out, it's also curly. It's like a 2-in-1, you know what I'm saying? Wow, so pretty. Ooh. The third curl, again, some damp hair sectioned into two sides. This time we're just gonna braid it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Unless you don't know how to braid, then if not, I'll link some down below, some braiding tutorials, because I'm not the best tutorialist or whatever this instructor, basically. But you're just gonna braid the two sides. Yeah. Okay. And another thing just to note, another thing just to note is that the tighter you make your braid, the closer your like waves will be, like the kinkier it'll be. So like if you make it looser, you're gonna have like loose, less defined waves or curls. And then if you make it tighter, you're just gonna have tighter, more defined wave curly thingamajigger things. So yes. Alrighty, so this is the two braids. Obviously, again, I did not section it equally. If that bugs you, section it a little better than I do. But I just wanted to basically just show you this is what you do, and this is the final look. The braids, okay. I'll just take them out. And then it's best to just use your fingers and brush through instead of using a brush, or else it'll like mess up the little kinks in your hair. And this one I like because it doesn't make this part of your hair curly, which is sometimes really annoying because like it just doesn't go exactly how you want it to go. So it kind of like doesn't do that. So that is the two little pigtail braids. And yeah. So this next, I think it's the fourth one, maybe, is just a fishtail. Again, if you don't know how to fishtail, I will link how to fishtail down below because I'm not a good teacher, but you can try and watch me. But that's literally, you're just gonna fishtail the back, like in like a bottom back braid. I don't know. I'm a grenade. Dicky. So we're just gonna, ooh, it's bright. We're gonna tie this off. But this is what it looks like. Well, this is what the fishtail looks like. And I'll put in right now what the final looks like. Hope you guys are having a good day. And then same thing with this, with the braid, you don't want to brush it because it's gonna get all poofy. And yeah, I really like this one because this one is reliably the same. Okay, for this next look, it's a little bit more complicated, more of just like more twisting and stuff. What you're gonna need, two little ponytails, because what we're gonna do is section our hair into two sides, pretty even, but you know, it really doesn't matter. And then we're gonna section it again into two more sections. Wow, that's crazy. And then we're just gonna take two and twist them. Wow. Okay. And then, wow, that's crazy. And a key, like to kind of get it so it like stays in separate little twisty thingies, is when you flip it over, kind of like twist the hair as you flip it over. So like, so take these, and as I'm twisting over, I'm going to also twist this one a little bit. See, now I'm twisting it again. I don't know if you can see that, but hopefully you understand. And I'm just gonna go all the way down to the bottom. And then take my little tie and tie it. Okay. Wow. Wow. So we're gonna do the same thing to this side. Okay, so this one's a little bit tighter than this side. That doesn't really matter, and if it really bugs you, then you can just section it a little better than I did. I just kind of like, yeah, so, yeah. So this is the final product. So here we have the little twisty twisty loop-de-loopin' pool look, and it has fallen out a little bit, but that is from a good sleep. I'm gonna pull it out and show you what it's all about. And that's the final look. I'm cheating. gently pull apart these like little twists just so they don't clump up, and so you get more like individual little wavy curly schmurda thingies. It looks like this side I didn't twist as much, so if you want them to be tighter, you just twist it tighter, which makes, you know, tighter curls, tighter twist. These look a little looser than I'd want. I'll flip my hair. Kablamo. It reminds me of like the kind of curls you get, like beachy curls, but like ones you actually get from like the water. Or maybe that's just how my hair gets. It gets like these like crimpy, like these kind of curls. So. And last but not least, for the fifth look, we're gonna start out with some damp hair, moist, and very basic. You probably already know about this, but I'm just gonna braid my hair and put it down in the back, and yeah, it's gonna give me just some classic waves, you know. Yeah, and although it's like pretty basic, it's just a classic, like classic good type of wave. Okay, so as you can see, it's literally just a braid. Very self-explanatory, simple. Literally took me like 3 seconds to do, which was really nice because if you're really tired and you're already in bed, you can just fling it together real quick, and then in the morning you have nice curls or nice waves. And yes, yes, yes. All right, take a look. Here we have the braid final. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. I hope you weren't like, psh, I already knew that. I mean, you know, like if you did, whatever, I don't know. But make sure to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, thanks for watching.